Hey, what's up? Jason here. Just a short tutorial to show you how to temporarily store items in a list if you need to do some bulk editing. So I have an event management platform my trainers use, and when they mark somebody as participated, it does a bunch of stuff like gives them their digital credential, generates a PDF certificate, sends emails, stuff like that. But they have to do it one by one. So on the main screen, they have to edit the record, they have to go into the class, they have to change the status through a dropdown, then hit save, then get prompted to confirm, and then hit yes and OK, which is pretty annoying, especially if you've got a lot of people in class. So I'm building this thing that will just allow them to click the names and then do a bulk action, which is going to be able to allow them to mark everybody as participated in one shot. So it's pretty simple to do. First, you need a custom state to store the items that you want to bulk process on. So this is a repeating group that has the class list in it, and the type of content is event attendees. So my custom state also needs to be the same type, the event attendees, and it needs to be a list as well. And for the text action here, this is just a checkbox. So I've inserted a checkbox on the page, and I'm going to use bubbles when an input value has changed to toggle that on and off. So you can take them off the list or put them on the list just by checking or unchecking this box. So the only thing to notice when you do this is make sure you make a note of the name of the checkbox, because in Bubble, if you right click and click Start Edit Workflow, by default, Bubble will use the event when this checkbox is clicked, and that's not what you want. You want when the input value has changed. And now once you've created this, you can't change the event type. So I'm going to get rid of that, and I called it checkbox H, which obviously give it a better name, which I will rename once I get this feature done. So I want checkbox H when the value is changed. I want to set the state of an element. The element is complete workshop. The attendees to be marked as participated, and the value, I need the value to be whatever value is in there now, the list of attendees, plus item, and whatever the current cell is. Now I only want that to happen when this checkbox is checked. So this will add them to the list, and now to remove them, it's pretty simple. Just copy and paste that exact same action, but switch this to minus item when this checkbox isn't checked. Okay, and the last bit is to attach it to your bulk action. So whatever that bulk action is, click a button, click Add Workflow, and then I am going to schedule an API workflow on a list. The type of things is going to be event attendees, and the list I want to run it on is the custom state value. And then I can pick whatever I want. So I want to send out a batch email. So now I can fill all these things out, and I'm all done, and that's it. So if you need to temporarily store stuff, this is a very, very fast way to do it, and you get one simple workflow where you can toggle them on and off. Remember to hit like and subscribe. See you next time.